What's up, guys? So, setting up for my first job. Got my solution mixed up. It's just gonna be 2 rooms on my first job. I think a living room and a bedroom. I think it's got a pet problem. So, I'm probably gonna do a Green Rhino cocktail on it. So right here, I got carpet details mixed in here. That's my product that I use 99% of the time. Actually 100% of the time. And if it needs something else, I'll boost it with this product right here. If you want to know what that is, go ahead and comment below. That's for hot water extraction, guys. So this is the thing about chemistry, guys. There's so much out there, but what I like to term, I coined the term smart chemistry. You know, that's what I use, smart chemistry. Now, there's going to be a lot of people out there who's going to disagree with me, or I don't know why they would disagree, because they can't say it's false what I'm saying. But smart chemistry has a lot of different, I don't know, benefits rather than just one, cleaning good. Okay, so this, for instance, carpet details. Oh, this is the flow zone, by the way, 2.0. 2.5, I believe. And it's yeah, great sprayer if you're looking for something. Okay, it does have a downfall here, but you see I fixed it. But it's a backpack sprayer, so you can get the cart too. Anyway, back to the point. All right, so smart chemistry. So chemistry is great about this product is because not only does it clean good, well, there's no residue left behind. Oh, no residue. What's so special about that? Well, yeah, there's no residue left behind. So anything left behind, if you didn't get a good rinse on it, dries to a crystal and vacuums up. And when they do the vacuum, when the customer does the vacuum, the carpets will even be cleaner. I mean, that's awesome, right? And that's what you tell your customers. Pass on the good news. The more you educate a customer, by the way, the more they like you. Another added benefit to this is it's in a neutral pH range. Although it cleans well, it's still in a neutral pH range, so you don't have to use a acid rinse. So high pHs, you gotta use an acid rinse. Now, there's nothing wrong with using high pHs if that's what you're doing, guys, but make sure you're using an acid rinse. You want to neutralize that pH. I teach you all about that inside of Green Rhino Academy, pH stuff. Now, another added benefit of this is it's awesome on pet problems like urine. Okay, so it helps with eliminating that urine and even getting rid of the stains. So there's a lot of people that just use that straight for their, when they're doing pet treatments. But I would just trust that on mild basis. But look, another great benefit of this. All right, so once you put this is one ingredient into the Green Rhino cocktail. So that even makes that cocktail even stronger. Okay, which is amazing, right? Another added benefit about this product is you can clean it on virtually almost anything. Okay, let's just say carpet cleaning, product's good for that. Upholstery cleaning, product's good for that. Tile cleaning, product's good for that. And guess what? That's what I use on all those services. Carpet details. I'm not it sounds like I'm the spokes representative of carpet details, and a lot of you guys think it's my product when it's not. Sometimes I'll get some notifications and it sounds like they think it's my product. It's not my product. But when you start making this YouTube stuff, these videos, and you're showing your processes and people are seeing your results, one of the number one questions is, what solution are you using? See, these people haven't figured it out yet, right? So, so that's why I talk about this. And that's why, obviously, I'm going to talk about the products I use on every day. Now, I'm not saying this is I'm not saying that if you're using something else and you've been happy for it for years, you should switch up or anything like that. No, you should stick with what works. If you're getting nothing but positive reviews, you're getting the results you want, then stick with that. Okay? Stick with it. Don't change it up. Why fix something that ain't broken? There's a lot of good chemistry out there, but this is a particular one that I use, and these are the reasons why I love it. It's smart chemistry. Now, when it comes to the Green Rhino cocktail, everybody says, I almost feel like I should have never even showed or been transparent about the Green Rhino cocktail on this YouTube channel. I should have kept it in my back pocket and said, you know what, go ahead and join the school and I'll let you know. But I let that out a long time ago. All right, so the Green Rhino cocktail is basically a mixture between carpet details, Sacred Side Eucalyptus, and Go Oxy. Okay, so the only thing that can be replaced, because this is basically 14% peroxide. Okay, so basically it's a concentrate, all right? So what you need to do is boost it with the peroxide. So there's other different peroxides, out there. It's not a lot though, guys. There is not a lot. This is like one of the very few that are out there, and they actually get you the product on time. I like because it's liquid. Okay, you can get stuff like Boostol, which is very concentrated, and this will work great too. It's hard to dissolve this stuff, but it's there, as you can see. So yeah, those three products, you're gonna have the best pet treatment on the planet. That's what I tell all my customers. That's what I spout out from the mountaintops. You know why? Because I can back it up. Every time I've done a pet treatment, never had a call back with the Green Rhino cocktail. Now ask yourself, if you're in business, how many times you've had a customer call you back and say, I still smell the urine, or some spots reappeared. How many times? If you say never, and you're using a say an enzyme or whatever, then you're lying. Okay, sorry. Because I'll just put it out there, enzymes suck for pet treatment. Okay, a lot of bad things about it. And how do you fix a callback after doing an enzyme treatment on a pet problem? You fix it with the oxy. You fix it with peroxide. So why wouldn't you just skip the enzymes and go straight to the pot? That was my reasoning. Thank God I did. Now, as far as the odor products or the problems in the odor, that's going to take care of that. Okay, and peroxide is supposed to help a little bit with the odor too, but that's going to take care of the stains. Anything organic. So if you have a flood, if you have a flood problem, like somebody had their carpets are all brown because it got flooded. All right, maybe they had the extraction people go in there, but now their carpets look like crap. It's organic, right? Water stains are organic. Just use that product. About, 10 ounces per gallon of your pre-spray, when you're cleaning, and that's all gonna disappear. All right, so that's it, guys. It was golden. If you didn't know it was golden, then watch it again, and watch it, about a year from now. Because then you're probably new, and you're going to say, well, that guy was really making sense back in the day, that Green Rhino guy. Everybody was making fun of that guy. He thought, what's he, the carpet cleaning guru? Who's he think he is? Yeah, there's always going to be haters out there. Because they're not doing shit for themselves. And if they are, they look at me as a competitor. And that's just bad character, guys. If you like this stuff, like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you in the next one.